Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First step, foundation. I'm not gonna apply it all over my face. I'm gonna use it only the areas where I need coverage, especially the places where I have acne and uneven skin tone. I'm going to blend the foundation using a sponge so that it creates a flawless look. Next step, I'm going to use my concealer under my eyes and set my face using some translucent powder. For some color and glow, I'm using my Florence by Mills cream blush using a sponge so the foundation underneath does not move. I'm not applying any mascara or doing my brows. Finally, for my lips, I'm using the lip liner from MAC in the shade Saw and applying some nude lip color from MUA. And that is the final result, guys. Hope you guys like it, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.